Got an easy one this time. It's been a little while. Got some wild hair going on. It's been a long work week, but trying to get the trailer ready for a trip we're going to do next weekend. So I found this little trick on, I don't remember whether it's Facebook, Instagram, whatever it was, but so I am completely stealing someone's idea on this one, but they also just kind of showed a picture of what they did instead of showing how to put it in. Not like it's that hard. So we'll have the fridge latch engaged, so the fridge doesn't open, but it's just kind of a flimsy latch. It'll kind of come unlatched sometimes. I figure there's got to be a better way to latch the door closed without having kind of a snap or you know, I don't like those little elastic bands you got to pull. It's kind of ugly looking. So what I saw was somebody just posted a photo of it. It was pretty smart. With these little gun magnets that some people who probably shouldn't put magnets in their truck or their car or whatever and then stick their gun to it, which I don't recommend as a complete side note. But anyway, but they do work really well because the latch itself is made of steel, so it connects to the latch really well, and it looks sleek. It's black, it's rubberized, so it looks almost like it's part of the fridge. So we're gonna put one of those on and see what you think. Here's the latch I'm talking about. So the fridge, and this little latch flips over. It's pretty flimsy. So we were driving one time and the latch just kind of jogged free, and it doesn't really even have to come completely free. It can still be kind of halfway over, whatever. And this popped open. And it's some orange juice down the bottom here. It was all down over here, drained all the way into the bathroom. It was a mess. So anyway, so that's why I'm trying to find something to fix that. All right, so here's all the stuff we're gonna need. Not much. All of you might not need everything because I need these old man glasses. So get a bottle of rubbing alcohol just to clean the oil and fingerprint stuff off. Grab one of the Weiss face cloths to be able to use it. And then I got these magnets, pretty cheap on Amazon. I'll put the link in the comments there. And they're, you know, pretty sleek. They got good 3M sticky on the back. Screw holes, obviously, but we're not going to be screwing into the face of the fridge. And they just kind of have a good kind of texture look to them, but they're finished, they're rubberized, so you know, with the black of the fridge, it's going to look almost like it's part of the fridge. So we're going to work on this and get this thing set up for you. Got my little helper here. He's a good apprentice when it comes to morale, I guess is probably the best way to put it. Oh, buddy, you think I do a good job? Yeah? All right. So first thing you want to do is make sure you get the position right. Obviously you want this to stick to it when it gets there. So you kind of want it not quite halfway down the middle, a little bit short of that. So you can have it stick. So I don't think you necessarily need to do the top one, but you can. The kit comes with two, so you can use the second one if you want, if you feel like you need it. I'm just going to stick one on for right now, because it's pretty good firm hold there. All right, so that's the general area I want to put it. So get some alcohol here. Clean out that whole area. Let that dry. A little bit. Dry cloth, aka paper towel. Right. Just got this AM tape on the back. So, peel that off. Line it up. And you can almost use that to place it. Do that. stick it in. Stick this to the magnet and just tilt it over. So it reaches. Hold that there. Give it some time to get 3M adhesive to work. Let's see if this is a success or failure. It'll still crack, but nothing's flying out of there, that's for sure. And it gives you a little bit of finger hold to be able to pull that back off later on. The magnet stays. Voila.